Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change who can post in a group using the Band app. Many group owners want to control posting permissions to keep discussions organized, and Band provides a simple way to manage this directly from your phone. First, open the Band app on your phone. Make sure you are inside the group where you want to check statistics. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you will find all the management tools for your group. Then, from the menu that appears, select Band Settings. Once inside, you will find an option called Who Can Post. Tap on it to continue. After that, go to the section called Content Creation and tap on Post. You will be shown the Post option again, so tap on it once more. Finally, you will see three choices. You can allow only admins to post, admins and co-admins, or allow anyone in the group to post. Once you make your choice, confirm by selecting Yes. Changing who can post in a band group is straightforward.